everyone? Welcome to Salt Lake Mitsubishi. This right here is our 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross SEL. And this, what we have going on right here is what we like to call our Canyon package. So as you can kind of see, it's a little bit different. We've got the more aggressive tread on the tires. It's got a 2-inch lift on it. We've got a roof rack built on the top. We also have a tow package in the back. A lot of people who like to go up in the mountains who want to have like small trailers, or it gives you the option to add a bike rack. Over here in Utah, as you can see, we got a lot of people that enjoy going up to mountains like Brighton, Alta, Snowbird, all the cool places that So I'm going to tell you why the Eclipse Cross is a stylish looking vehicle. I mean, look at this thing. We added the Canyon package to it, so it's got the more aggressive tires on. We blacked them out. We got the roof rack. We got the body style, looks aggressive. It's more modern. It's something Mitsubishi has never done before, and I think they did such a great job doing a crossover mid-size SUV. On top of that, the thing is packed. It's underneath the hood. It's got a ton of performance. It's got the 1.5 liter turbocharged engine with the CVT transmission. On top of that, it's got a super all-wheel control system, so it's great for the mountains, the snow, all weather conditions, and all types of terrain as well. And when you throw these tires on it, top performance. Why would you get a Toyota RAV4 when you can have something like this? By the way, I forgot to mention, these headlights are height adjustable. You can adjust the headlights to your liking. Did I mention it was turbocharged? All right, so we're in the cockpit of the 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. And I gotta tell you, both of these seats, the driver's side seats, are bucket seats. And this thing's got a ton of features that make it feel like you're actually operating a supercharged machine here. Let's move over to the touchscreen that we got right here. So when you first get into the vehicle, the first thing you're gonna notice is the 7-inch LED touchscreen that's right up here. And then it has everything where you can features your Apple/Google CarPlay that's gonna be up there. So when it has navigation, it actually runs the navigation on it on your phone. Mitsubishi added to this is the heads-up display. Now what that is it's a glass screen that pops up when you turn the vehicle on, and it just gives you your miles per hour, which is super convenient. A lot of people love it. First, let's add some light into the cockpit. Touch of another button for the back seat. Look how much light and room was just added instantly with the touch of a button to this vehicle. Let me show you how the Google/Apple CarPlay works. All it is you gotta have just a cord and your iPhone or Android, whatever it is you have, and you just use it, plug it in the temperature control panels. And then once that your phone syncs up, you just hit allow, and bam, look at that. All I gotta do is hit the home button on this touchpad here. I can go to my Apple CarPlay on the very end here, or if you wanted to hit navigation, has all your apps featured right up here, such as music playing off YouTube, your Apple Music, your Google Maps, your text messages, your audiobooks, your podcasts. It also has Spotify. Just scroll over, Pandora, Tidal if you have Tidal, WhatsApp. A lot of whatever apps you have that involve communication and playing music, they will sync right up to it. Such a cool vehicle just because of that simple tech feature. I'm a huge music guy. I listen to music all the time. I can't go without listening to music. It's so important for me to be able to have all my music apps ready and available for streaming. Trying to listen to, so I can go right here and hear that. That's how you turn the music down. Turn it up. By the way, forgot to mention what this vehicle has. It's got the Rocker Fosgate sound system, which includes 9 speakers and 750 watt 10-inch subwoofer placed in the back seat. So this sound system is bumping. It's bumping. Like I said, if you're a music guy like me, this is the car of choice. We're just gonna go for a quick little drive. Let's turn up the music and let's go. See, I got a text message and it pulls up right there, and I can just click on that and view that message if I so please. And you can send it without even touching your phone, not once. Great safety feature Mitsubishi added. Very, very impressive. Notice I have the key here. You can kind of see that the mirrors are folded inside. watch this. I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm just gonna put it in my pocket. Pocket, I didn't touch anything. Just push the button. The car actually reads that the key is in your pocket, and all it does is just a push of a button. You can even lock it as well as soon as you're walking away, and you can tell it does that when the mirrors fold. When they're in, locked. When they're out, it's unlocked. And voila. Again, we're here at the Salt Lake Mitsubishi. We are sponsoring the Vegas Bowl this year, which means we're going to be giving one of these 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Crosses SEL Canyon package away for free, no purchase necessary. And I'll tell you what, if you come see me, Chance, at Salt Lake Mitsubishi, and just test drive one, that gets you 7 entries to win that Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. And I don't want anyone else to win from anywhere. I want you guys, the ones that come in and visit me and see me. Let me help you win one of these vehicles. Please, come in and see me. I'm free 24/7, 365.